Hey friends, this is a super quick video because I'm leaving to go on a trip, but so this is what the SAF instant yeast looks like, and it looks like a brick, and you're going to get it and go, this doesn't seem right. I promise you it is. I'm going to show you that when you, if I can get it, there's like a little, you can open it like this and pull. I want you to listen. Oh, I'm going to have to cut it. Okay, so you may or may not be able to hear this, but you get it. So, and then it becomes squishy. It's vacuum packed. So when you get it, if you buy this kind, and I highly suggest you do, that's what it's going to be, granules inside, I promise. See? It's soft and squishy now. It's just vacuum packed, so it's hard in there. And I suggest that you pour it into an airtight container. This is what I have. It's one of those OXO things. And it has the pop-top container. And I keep a plastic spoon in there so I don't have to grab one every time. And ta-da! And it stays in the freezer. Always in the freezer. You don't need to refrigerate it. It's not going to kill the yeast. It's not going to do anything. In fact, it keeps it really forever, beyond the expiration. I promise you. Keep it in the freezer. Even for the loaves you're making right now. It's okay. Bye.